I am at a new fix and list deal that we recently started working on. We started on Friday. It's Monday, so we're only a couple days into this. So it'd be good to show you what it looks like before we fix everything up. So we're gonna paint everything. All these rails will be white. The walls are turning gray. Here you see they've started in this master bedroom already. So the wall color has changed. We used SW7029 agreeable gray. We've ripped out the old floor, put the new floor in. The vanity's down in the, we haven't started with the vanity yet, but it's down in the garage, so it's gonna go in probably tomorrow. Here we've got a shower door that doesn't open and close right. See, it's kind of warped at the top. Like it's not working right. So we are having a new frameless shower door put in. Thanks, man, I'm done.
Okay.
Here, this door's broken, so we're gonna get a new door in. Sorry, man, I won't come back in, I promise. We're gonna replace all this carpet, replace the trim that's been scratched up, replace this vanity, a new mirror, new light fixture, and that same flooring they're putting in the other bathroom, they're gonna put in this bathroom next. So essentially, it's fixing a lot of little cosmetic things to help make this house shine, take 20 years of wear and tear off so we can sell it at the top of the market. I'll show you another video when it's all done. Thanks for watching.